just renovated and looks like a new build close to Powers Drive, making it is easily accessible to shopping in major highways. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on a large fenced lot, with virtually no rear neighbors. Great split plan facilitating privacy and separate living. Floors are all hardwood, making cleaning a breeze. Carport just outside of the laundry room for convenience and ease of access. Separate laundry room inside the home. Property is professionally managed and must be seen to appreciate. Hurry and request a show to avoid disappointment.